Hello friends, this is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Guys, as you know that our topic is preposition. I have already explained one preposition which was from. But now in this video I am going to explain another preposition which is on, right? So this preposition on is going to be explained in this video. So let's come to the topic. See, what is on? On is a preposition, right? According to the grammar, it is a preposition. Grammar के लिहाज से ये एक preposition से. Is this clear? So now it has 5 usage, right? It has 5 usage. So I am going to explain it, right? Explain it. So see the usage. Number 1, we use on for roads, right? Whenever we want to talk about roads, right? Roads, then we use on. Then we use on. Is it clear? See the second step. We use on for avenues, right? Whenever we are talking about or we want to talk about avenues, then we use on. Is this clear? Number 3, we use on for streets. We use on for street as well, right? Whenever we want to talk about streets, then we use on. Is this clear? See the fourth one. We use on for days of the week. We also use on for the days of the week. For days of the week. Is this clear? See the last one. Number 5. We use on or the 5th one is on shows. On shows the idea of touching. On shows the idea of touching. See, on shows the idea of touching. Whenever we are talking about something that is kept on, something like table, desk, etc., but that is touched, right? That is touched. Then we use on. Is this clear? So now I am going to give you one example to each, right? So the first, for the first, I mean roads, right? I'm going to give you example. Like there is a school on Prince Prince Road, right? As I told you that we use on for roads. So here I am talking about a school, right? I'm talking about school, but that is located on road, right? Or near to road. So see, there is a school on Prince Road, right? Prince Road. So we used on here. Why did we use on? Because that is on road, right? We use preposition before the noun. And here RD. Why did I write RD? RD. It is the abbreviation of road, right? Abbreviation. Abbreviation means short form of the road. Is this clear? Now example with avenues. See. There is a shop on Westlake Avenue, right? Westlake Avenue. So see, there is a shop on Westlake Avenue. Whenever we are talking about something that is located near to avenue, then we use on. Here the preposition. Whenever we are talking about avenues, then we use on, right? there is a shop on Westlake. Is this clear? Westlake Avenue. So now, example for street. See, I live on Prince Street. I live on Prince Street. I am talking about street, right? I told you that whenever we are talking about street, then we use on. I live on Prince Street. Is this clear? Here I use AVE. Why did I use it? Because it is the abbreviation of avenue, and ST, it is the abbreviation of street. Whether we want to use the full word or we want to use this abbreviation, it doesn't matter. Both have the same meaning. Is this clear? So see the example for the fourth one. Yes. What does it say? It says we use on for days of the week. For days of the week. So see, she will go to Pakistan on Sunday. See, she will go to Pakistan on Sunday. As I said that we use on for days of the week. So Sunday is a day, right? We have 7 days in the week, so Sunday is one of them. Sunday is one of them. So she will go to Pakistan on Sunday. Here we use, we have day. That's why I put on before the day. Is this clear? See the last one. The last one says that on uses the idea of touching. Idea of touching how? See, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. What does it mean? It means that book is touched with table, right? Book is touched with table. If I say the marker is on my hand, the marker is on my hand. Why did I say on? Because the marker is touched. It is touched to my hand. Whenever the things are touched to something that is kept on, right? Then we use on because it shows the idea of touching. It shows the idea of touching. The book is touched, or the book is on the table. It means that the book is touched to the table. Is this clear, guys? Now it has a note. So let's come to the note, right? So see, it has a note. Now what does it say? Note say that when roads, streets, avenues have numbers, right? Then it is used, not on, right? Whenever we have numbers, number with road, street and avenue, then we use it, the preposition it, not on. Mostly people are getting confused while using it and on, right? So let me tell you guys, whenever there is a number, just like if I give you example, I live at 57th Street. Number, by number I mean digits, right? Whenever we have this kind of digits before the street or road or avenue, then we use it, not on. We cannot say that I live on 57th Street. It is wrong. It is completely wrong. We have to say I live at 57th Street. Is this clear? So it says that whenever we have numbers, digits, right? Digits, whether that is road, streets or avenue, then we have to go for it, not on. With street, with numbers we use it, not on. Is this clear, guys? So this is the end of video. Now if you like the videos, please like it, comment on it and share with your friends so that you will learn, so that they will learn something from this video. Is this clear, guys? Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. Thank you.